All right, well, welcome. We're going to make a sounding box today. This is for our fourth grade unit 4. So sounding boxes are a box that uses different holes. These are labeled A through J. And then students use a tool, this is a straw, marked off at centimeter increments. And they're going to use that to take measurements. And so this goes along with our solving the puzzle under the sea, picture perfect lesson. And so in this lesson, students are exploring how Marie Tharp and her team discovered the trench in the ocean. And so they used sonar, which connects great to sound. But this is a sounding box. And so in this one, students are going to be placing the straw down at different increments. And so you can see that this one goes down to 10 centimeters. At this spot, it goes down to 5. And so students will be recording those measurements, and then they'll be able to graph and record the data to understand what's inside this box. And so to make this is pretty simple. Any box, shoe box, this was just a file folder box, and I just put holes and I marked them an inch apart. So I put 9 holes at every inch, and then I just drew a center line down the middle. Put at every inch, put a hole. I just use a pencil, poke, 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 and I label them A through J, so you can see A through J. And then inside this box, I put some cups, but you could the directions say plaster of Paris. I just used cups, and because I didn't have the time to do that, and so this way, students will see it's low and then it gets higher. You could put other objects in here. You could make more of a trench if you wanted with paper or with cardboard. However you wanted to do that, you could put whatever in here to kind of show. But you want to have some undulation, and so that the cups could work for that. And then again, on my straw, I just marked every centimeter with. I just took a ruler and just used a Sharpie, and every centimeter I put I numbered 1 through 13. Because that's the depth of my box. And so then when students come by, they record the distance. And so this one is 10, B is 5, C is 5, D is 6, E is 10. So they realize that, oh, there was something in there, and then it's back down. And so they'll see that on their graph as they graph their data. And again, super simple. You can make one of these and then have students come back in rotations for stations. You could also do it where you make a set and then the whole team shares them. So the whole grade level shares a set, and then use them every year. So I know it's a little bit of a time investment initially, but again, it gives you some really fun data for kids to explore. It's a great connection to the lesson, and then you can use them year after year. So hopefully you guys enjoy making sound boxes.